how to grow your YouTube channel. If you want to get 500 to 700 million views on such shorts like Marbeast, then today I will tell you 3 tips that you can use to make your shorts like Marbeast go viral. The third tip is my favorite, starting with tip number 1. Enlisted videos. So there are some YouTubers among you who finish their video with great difficulty and upload it to YouTube and publish it directly. But this rule is very harmful to your channel. Otherwise, you may get some views like this. So the correct explanation of this is that you have to correct the title, description and tabs of your YouTube shorts and it will appear below here in visibility. But there are many options such as publish, private, enlisted, so you have to click enlisted from here. Then after 1 to 2 minutes, we have to classic edit the objections in that video and publish it now. And you use decoding it, step grow, and Marbeast to do this. So now let's go to step 2, time of schedule. So friends, you work with different niches like Marbeast, fantasy, and I am a tech, so you just give me any time. So today I will tell you the time of schedule. So the best off schedule time for a tech is around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and 3 o'clock. So if you give this some time, then your content will be seen more by USA. So the best time for fantasy is 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. It's okay. And out, this is our step 3, word of captions. So you are using many types of fonts, but if you see my font, then you will like my font very much. And I know your eyes are not on this video but on my captions. Well, if you look at Marbeast's fonts, his fonts are very engaging. Basically, if you haven't uploaded any videos on your channel for a long time, let's say for 1 year, and then you come back and upload a video, you might get fewer views initially. Why is this happening? Because there are exceptions to this. It doesn't happen with everyone. Now, this is quite normal, but some creators get scared and think that their channel is dead. In 99% of the cases, my answer is that you should continue with the same channel. I have videos on all these topics on my channel, so you can check out that playlist.